Hi, thanks for tuning in. In today's video, we'll learn how to say good morning in Hausa, one of Africa's most widely spoken languages. You'll learn 1. The Hausa phrase for good morning. 2. How to pronounce it correctly. In Hausa, we say
Ina kwana. Ina kwana.
to greet someone in the morning. It's a warm, polite way to start your day and show respect. Try saying it out loud with Grandpa again.
Ina kwana. Ina kwana.
Try saying it out loud with me. Inakwana, inakwana. Good job. You just learned how to say good morning in Hausa. It was that easy, right? Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more easy Hausa lessons. Say inakwana to someone today. See you next time. Bye.